Hello viewers, welcome to the Pharma Awareness channel. Today I will discuss about Indian pharma companies' exports to USA market. Gland Pharma 54% exhibits extremely high export revenue, near 89% of its total income in FY 2024-25. Exports span 65 plus countries. Gland Pharma leads with one of the highest export ratios among Indian pharma firms, with nearly 89% of its revenue from exports. Dr. Reddy's 53% North America, primarily US, accounted for 47% of its FY 2024 sales. Likely exports exceed that margin. Aurobindo Pharma 48% US market alone was 48% of its revenue in FY 2023-24, with over 70% derived internationally. Zydus, Cadila, 44% US was 46% of its FY 2024 revenue, aligned with your figure. Aurobindo Pharma and Zydus are heavily reliant on the US market, contributing nearly half of their total revenue. Piramal Pharma 41%, no exact export percent found, but it serves 100 plus countries via CDMO healthcare divisions. Piramal Pharma lacks a specific figure, but its global contract manufacturing and CDMO operations make exports a key part of its business model. Lupin 34% North America contributed 37% of revenue in FY 2024. Your figure is in close proximity. Lupin's exports are similarly substantial, at around 1/3 of its total revenue. Sun Pharma 32% US revenue stood at 32% in FY 2024. Overseas markets overall contributed 73%. Cipla 30% North America accounted for 30% in FY 2024 revenue. Historical data shows exports made up 51% in earlier years. Sun Pharma and Cipla also generate a significant chunk, 30%, of their sales from North America, though both enjoy broader global reach. Thanks for watching. To get more pharma updates, please subscribe the channel.